Welcome. If you're tired of constant Gmail inbox notifications popping up on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to turn off inbox notifications in the Gmail app. Whether you want some peace and quiet or just need a break from email alerts, this guide will help you take control of your notifications in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll see your inbox with all your latest emails. Now, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on that menu icon to open up the side panel with more options. Next, scroll down the menu until you find the settings option. It's usually near the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it. Once you find settings, tap on it to open your Gmail settings. Now, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have connected to your Gmail app. Tap on the email account for which you want to disable inbox notifications. This will take you to the settings for that specific account. Within your account settings, look for the option called Manage Labels. Tap on Manage Labels to see a list of all your Gmail labels, including your inbox. Find and tap on Inbox from the list. This will open up the notification settings just for your inbox label. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Label Notifications. You'll see a toggle or a checkbox. Simply turn it off. That's it. You've successfully disabled inbox notifications for your Gmail account. From now on, you won't get those pop-ups every time a new email arrives in your inbox, giving you more control over when and how you check your messages. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow these same steps and switch label notifications back to on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter, more focused day.